Paano nga ba mag-send money from GCash to Maribank account? And magkano naman yung charge? Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na kagaya nito, hit like and subscribe button. Okay, to cash into Maribank from GCash, first step is open the GCash application. Then, dito guys sa dashboard, piliin mo at itap mo tong transfer icon. Then, select local to transfer money to a local bank account. Okay, scroll mo to pababa at dito sa pinakababa ay pindutin mo tong view all. At mag-scroll ka ulit pababa at hanapin mo tong Maribank. Kung hindi mo to makita, ay pwede mo naman itong i-search. Then, itap mo na tong Maribank and enter the required details. Maglagay ka ng amount you want to send at ang ilalagay ko dito ay 1,000 pesos. Then, yung account name or the full name as it appears on Maribank account. Then, the Maribank account number. At yung email, ito'y optional naman po. Kung gusto mong makatanggap na resibo ay pwede kang maglagay ng iyong email. Then, itap mo na tong send money. Then, review mo ang iyong details. Okay, so please make sure that the account details at yung amount ay tama. Dahil kapag na-confirm mo na to, ay hindi mo na pwede i-refund. Siya nga po pala guys, yung fee ay 15 pesos. Kapag ang transfer amount mo ay 1,000, so ang total na i-deduct sa GCash mo ay 1,015 pesos. Then, if sure ka na, ay i-check mo na tong confirmation. At itap mo na tong pay 1,015 pesos. At i-enter mo ang authentication code sent to your GCash mobile number. At kung hindi mo pa natanggap yung code, itap mo tong click here to resend. Okay, after mo ilagay mo yung code, itap mo na tong submit. Okay, bank transfer complete at successful po na nailipat sa Maribank account yung 1,000 pesos instantly. Okay, at kapag inopen naman natin ang aking inbox, ay nadidak na po yung 1,015 pesos. At may 1,000 pesos na po na available balance sa aking Maribank account. At gano'n lang po mag-send money from GCash into Maribank. At kung natulungan ka nitong video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.